Today, I'm gonna show you how to build the structure of a landing page in a couple of minutes with AI. Hi, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team GPT. For this demo, we're gonna use my Team GPT workspace. I would like to build a landing page for EcoTrek. EcoTrek is a hiking backpack made from 100% recycled polyester. First, I'm gonna choose the model I would like to chat with inside Team GPT. I will choose Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The first prompt I'm sending to the model is what are the best practices for website landing pages for e-commerce. Why e-commerce? Because of our product, because of EcoTrek, I would like to build a landing page for an e-commerce website. Before I start building the structure of my landing page, I would like to give the AI some context in advance. So I would like the AI to brainstorm and give me the best practices for e-commerce landing pages, and then consider these best practices when generating the content for my landing page. After this, I'm gonna open my prompt library and I'm gonna use this prompt I have previously saved in my prompt library. I saved this prompt because I have my landing page structure inside, and I have it inside my prompt library because I reuse it very often. So I would like to digest this prompt for you. I start with you're an expert landing page creator for e-commerce website. Basically what I'm doing here, I'm giving the AI a persona so that it can get into the headspace of my task. I continue with following these practices, which are the best practices for website landing pages we already generated. Generate a landing page for my product. Here I have inserted a variable so I can just explain to the AI what my product is about. I'm gonna say EcoTrek backpack, and here I'm going to insert all the product details, the key features, the price, company information, as well as environmental impact. Then I will click on continue. The Team GPT will insert my variable inside my prompt, and I want to instruct the model to add an attention-grabbing headline, and I'm giving it a sample structure. LLMs work very good with examples. So my structure is headline, subheadline, hero image, buy button, product description, feature list, testimonial, and CTA. I'm telling the model that I want the landing page to have the flow of a story, and I'm ending my prompt. As I told you, this is a prompt that I'm reusing pretty often. So here I have an instruction which says, now I will give you information for each section one by one. Let's start with the first section. Give me sections 1 through 8, one by one. This is a really cool prompting technique that you can use if you want. If you would like to build your landing page section by section for better visibility, so that you're more clear with the information you're feeding the AI with, you can use this. But for the purpose of this demo, because I already gave the AI a lot of information about my product, I'm gonna delete it. I'm sending my prompt, and here you can see that Claude is building the outline and the text for EcoTrek's landing page. We have the product description, the buy button with the CTA, features list, testimonial, etc., etc. Because I don't like how many bullet points we have inside this landing page, I'm going to use a technique called chain prompting, and I'm gonna give further instructions to the AI, and I'm gonna say, remove all bullet points, make them into a structured paragraph. And now it's generating. See, it is removing all the bullet points. And then at the very end, I'm gonna say, remove points 1 to 8. Give me the text only. There we go. And now we have only the text for our landing page. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. For more tips and tricks, go to teamgpt.com.